Hello, my name is Philip Schmidt. I'm a research engineer with Nautel, and I'm introducing the HD MultiCast to you today. HD MultiCast is a combined importer-exporter system. We've been able to combine both functions into one physical unit. The idea behind it is to simplify HD radio installations, reduce the cost, make it more affordable, particularly for the next tier stations that have been considering Go HD all along, but the conversion cost has still been holding them off. So this is our effort to reduce costs, make it simpler for the next tier stations to Go HD. So with the importer and exporter together, now your HD radio station will this box will take care of your HD1, HD2, 3, and 4, depending on how many secondary streams you have. Also, this box is able to transmit a station logo, as seen on the receiver here. Of course, we put our Nautel logo on here, but you can supply your own 200 by 200 pixel station logo, and it will be transferred through our transmitter right to your radio. And no special automation support is required for that. Of course, if you want to get into artist experience and whatnot, get in touch with your studio automation people and they will hook you up with that. Additional features with this HD MultiCast box: it's essentially a 2-rack mount, Windows 10 based PC system with very standard PC hardware. But inside of it is an industrial grade PICMIC 1.3 type of motherboard, which is used in industrial applications. So it's got longevity, we can support it for a long time. It's not consumer grade by any stretch of the imagination. We have room for 3 PCIe expansion slots and 2 PCI expansion slots that we can use with our cards. One of the slots houses an internal GPS unit, as can be seen by this light here, which is red, of course, because we're inside, we cannot pick up a GPS signal here. But the GPS card is the heartbeat of the entire system. So we have a GPS receiver on there, as well as an ovenized 10 megahertz crystal oscillator with very good temperature specifications. So even in loss of GPS lock, we can hold over for a long time. The 10 megahertz is then used to create a 44.1 megahertz word clock that the entire system operates on. So the 44 megahertz word clock disciplines our audio capture card, which is the Lynx AES16 card as shown here. Right now in our demo we have 4 audio streams hooked up. I'm playing out 4 audio sources through the card and looping them right back in. Those will be your normal studio feeds for all the various stations. They're being captured here and they're then being fed into the rest of the software. To come back to the GPS card, the important thing is that the word clock that we create in our GPS card is disciplining the audio card. So therefore the audio rate that the entire system runs on is perfectly 44.1. By the same token, the GPS card creates a 10 megahertz signal that we can now discipline our transmitter, our GB10 here, and therefore it maintains lock with the entire system. There's no diversity delay slip. I've brought with me a Justin 808 modulation monitor here, and we can see that the diversity delay is staying steady at 0 samples, and it's been running like that since the show opened yesterday. So we can see that the diversity delay in this unit is consistent. And what is interesting in this unit too, we've got our audio capture here, but we also have audio processing options in the unit. For example, for secondary, the HD2 processing, HD3 processing, we offer the Optimod PC1101, which is an O-band processor for streaming, optimized for streaming, and it takes care of your secondary. Another interesting product that we found from our friends at Sound 4 is a FM plus HD audio processor, which I can show you here, right here. It's the Sound 4 Impact. And now that this product is handling both the HD1 as well as the FM, this is a very nice fit, because this audio processor is not your standard audio processor. It's a single input, your station audio feed input, dual output processor, one that produces the FM modulation. So it creates an MPX spectrum right here that is being fed over a coax cable over to our transmitter, and it's running our transmitter right here. That is the FM signal, but it also processes the HD1 audio, and that is crucial because we want to make sure when the HD radio receiver blends from FM to HD that the blend process is seamless, that there's minimal interruption to the listener. We want to have the same sound aura, the same processing. So having a single audio processor that does both is crucial for this application. But the nice thing for this in this integrated box is that the HD1 audio is ingested right into our importer-exporter software right in the unit. So now might be a good time to have a look at the new audio software, the importer-exporter software provided to us. And it captures all the audio streams, HD2, 3, 4, as well as the importer. It may look a little different from the importer software in the past, so you'll get to know this new interface very shortly. Also, part of the software is an integrated station logo manager that I referred to earlier, so you can point to your station logo image and have it transferred to your receiver. Beside that, we also offer Reliable HD Transport, our award-winning protocol suite that makes the communication between this unit, the exporter, and our exciter more reliable by addressing packet loss in the network, by reducing bandwidth requirements, and improving synchronization between the two. That is now all standard in the unit, and overall I think this unit will effectively make HD radio station installations cheaper, easier, more affordable, and we hope it will increase the adoption of HD radio overall. Thank you.